So what is your name?
Mia.
Mia. Hi, Mia.
Hi.
So I have only one question. So what is your wish this coming Christmas?
My wish. That's a tough question. I haven't thought about that yet.
So hi guys, random questions. Dito tayo ngayon sa Budapest. So magtatanong tayo guys kung ano nga ba yung mga wish natin every Christmas. Kasi nung bata pa ako, syempre nakakanasan natin yung Santa Claus, di ba? Paniwalang paniwala tayo na meron Santa Claus. And nag-wish pa tayo kung ano yung wish natin tuwing Pasko. And dati nag-wish pa ako nun ng laruan, nagsasabit pa tayo ng medyas sa bintana, and akala natin totoo yung Santa Claus. And right now, I'm here in Fashion Street para magtanong sa mga random people kung ano nga ba yung wish nila this coming Christmas season. Alright, samahan nyo ako guys. Hi guys. Okay, where are you from?
From Croatia.
Croatia? I'm from Philippines. So what is your name?
Mia.
Mia. Hi Mia.
Hi.
So I have only one question. So what is your wish this coming Christmas?
My wish. That's a tough question. I haven't thought about that yet.
Just give me one wish. Just your request.
My wish is that my family is healthy, and that we just continue the way we are now, and that's it. I'm happy currently, and that's it. I would like the things to go just like they were now.
I'm so happy to hear that, and thank you very much.
Yeah.
What is your name, ma'am?
Sarah.
What is your wish this Christmas?
I don't know.
Give me one wish. Just request.
For one special person that she will be healthy and well. Healthy.
Thank you very much, and thank you, and take care. Just enjoy. It's very good here. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
What is your name?
Lori.
Okay, where are you from, Laurie?
France.
France. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
So what are you doing here in Budapest?
It's she will be married and we do the
Oh, nice. I have only one question, Laurie.
Yeah.
What is your wish this Christmas?
my wish to be rich.
Me too. And that's it. That's the only questions that I want to. And thank you very much. Say hi to my vlog. Thank you very much, Laurie. Hi, I'm Jao. What is your name?
My name is Kosi.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Okay, I have only one question for you. What is your wish this coming Christmas?
Actually, I don't know what to wish, but I wish you all the best for your followers as well.
Thank you very much. And thank you very much. And my request, my wish for you is to become successful someday. And I hope so. Nice meeting you. Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Is it okay to say hi to my vlog?
Hi, these followers.
Okay, thank And kung ako naman guys, ang tatanungin, ang super wish ko this coming Christmas, syempre world peace. And ang pinakang wish ko talaga ngayon is syempre sana is tayo mga OFW is natural lang sa atin yung malungkot kasi malayo tayo sa pamilya natin sa Pinas. And ang wish ko lang is sana matupad natin yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Yung mga hinahangad natin syempre. Ikaw, anong wish mo ngayong Pasko? Just comment down sa comment section. Malay mo matupad yung pinapangarap mo ngayong Pasko. And don't forget to follow my page, Jao King, and i-share nyo tong video natin. And yun lang guys, Merry Christmas and bye-bye!